Welcome to our channel. Today we how to pay your Boost Mobile bill. My account login guide step by step clearly. Open the YouTube description if you want to pause and follow along step by step. Make sure you have your Boost Mobile phone number, account email, and password ready. Check that your internet connection is stable on your phone or computer. If you are using a phone, install or update the Boost Mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. If you are using a computer, open a browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Go to the official Boost Mobile website and find the My Account Sign-In option. Click or tap Sign In to open the login page. Enter your email address or your Boost Mobile username exactly as registered. Type your password carefully and double-check for caps lock issues. Select Sign In and wait for your account dashboard to load. If you forgot your password, choose Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. After logging in, locate the Billing, Payments, or Pay Now section on the main screen. Tap or click Pay Now to start the payment process. Review the current amount due and the due date to avoid late fees. Choose whether you want to pay the full balance or a different amount if available. Select your payment method such as debit card, credit card, or other supported options. If you are adding a new card, enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. Type the billing zip code and billing address exactly as your bank has on file. Choose whether to save the payment method for faster payments next time. Confirm the payment date, especially if you want to schedule it for a later day. Carefully review the payment summary before you submit. Tap or click Submit Payment or Pay to finalize the transaction. Wait for the confirmation message and do not refresh the page during processing. Take a screenshot or write down the confirmation number for your records. Check your email or text messages for a payment receipt from Boost Mobile. Return to your account dashboard and confirm your balance reflects the payment. If the payment does not post, wait a few minutes and then refresh once or sign out and back in. If you see an error or duplicate charge concern, contact Boost Mobile support with your confirmation details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.